Welcome to the Money Whisperer, your spot for unlocking financial wisdom to master personal finance, discover money-saving tips, and overcome financial challenges. Today, we're tackling a topic that's all too familiar for many of us: debt. But fear not, my friends, because we're going to escape the debt trap and embark on a roadmap to financial liberation. Imagine this. You're trapped in a dark, cramped room, and the only way out is through a maze of twists and turns. That's what being in debt feels like: a never-ending labyrinth of bills, interest rates, and sleepless nights. But just like any maze, there's a way out, and I'm here to be your trusty financial GPS. Now, let's get real. Debt is like that annoying relative who overstays their welcome. It can drain your energy, your resources, and your sanity if you let it. But with the right strategies, you can show debt to the door and reclaim your financial freedom. First up, we need to tackle the mindset. Debt can be a vicious cycle, but it's essential to break free from the negative thought patterns that keep you stuck. Remember, you're not defined by your debt. It's just a temporary obstacle on your path to financial success. Let's not forget, here's a reminder to start a journey of discovery with our faceless YouTube channel. Click subscribe to stay updated on captivating contents that speak louder than faces. As you join our community today, together we'll explore the world of personal finance. Now, let's dive into some practical tips for escaping the debt trap. Tip #1: create a battle plan. List out all your debts, from the smallest to the largest, and prioritize which ones to tackle first. This could be the debt with the highest interest rate, or the one that's causing you the most stress. You're the boss. Tip #2: negotiate like a pro. Don't be afraid to pick up the phone and have a friendly chat with your creditors. You'd be surprised at how willing they can be to work out a payment plan, or even reduce the interest rate if you approach them with confidence and a solid repayment strategy. Tip #3: embrace the debt snowball. As you pay off your smaller debts, roll those payments onto the next one, creating a snowball effect that will gain momentum and help you obliterate those larger debts faster than you can say financial freedom. Tip #4: find extra income streams. Whether it's a side hustle, selling some unwanted items, or taking on a temporary gig, any extra income you can generate will help you accelerate your debt repayment journey. And finally, remember to celebrate your victories, no matter how small. Every debt you conquer is a step closer to financial liberation, so don't forget to pat yourself on the back and treat yourself to something special, within your budget, of course. As we wrap this up, note that escaping the debt trap is no easy feat, but with the right mindset, strategies, and a little bit of Money Whisperer magic, you'll be well on your way to a life of financial freedom. So, join me on this journey, and let's bid farewell to debt once and for all. And don't forget, if you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more money whispering wisdom. Together, we'll navigate the financial wilderness and emerge as true money masters.